Hello and welcome in, everyone. I am your host, Code Wonderland, and today we're playing some more Comet 64. Now, for those of you who are not in or familiar with Comet 64, if you haven't been properly introduced to the series, you should definitely go back and check out episodes 1 and 2. But you can still have a good fun time here with episode 3. This is basically like a puzzle game where you code in an assembly-like language on a Commodore 64-esque machine, and you just got a bunch of puzzles. We've gotten through the first 7 so far, all but one of them perfectly. One of them we'll have to come back to at a later point. But our next one, I'm not going to pronounce because I might get demonetized. But query 0 marks at the end of a package. Output the sum of every package. So I guess they're calling these packages now. Okay, cool. Oh, wait. Are they? Example input. How do I know it's a package? Oh, but 0 marks the end of a package. I got it. So we have 3 zeros here, so we have 3 packages. 4 plus 2 plus 6 equals 12. 2 equals 2. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 12, 2, 7. Now I got it. So, So, int equals int plus input. Reg equals input. Plus reg. Check reg equals 0. Also, I always forget this every episode. Semicolons. So, we're pulling in the input. We're adding it to int. If reg equals 0, so jump if false end, and we'll have a little end label here. Otherwise, we want to output equals int equals 0, and that should solve it. We have passed. Let's see. Is it optimal? That's the question. We can do it in 2 fewer lines and 20 fewer cycles. So let's look at this. We have reg equals input, so we're pulling in the first one. Int equals int plus reg. Check reg equals 0. If that's false, we jump to the end. And then output int equals 0. Then end. Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of optimizations around these jump statements that I'm not initially getting. I don't know what it is. Something about it hasn't quite clicked yet. We have technically done it wait, did we do it faster? Did I read that wrong? Oh. I see. Use 9 or fewer lines, your solution has 7. I read this backwards. And then use 130 fewer steps. Last time I did 110, this time I did 109. Okay, so I was reading it backwards. We've already, because I saw the stars there for a second, and I was like, wait a second. We did do it. Okay. Oh. Now that we've gotten... This is new. This was just a blank white square before. Alright, let's keep going. Input contains decimal numbers only. Round them to the nearest integer before outputting. So let's see. how do I want to manage this? So I could pull in the input initially into reg, so reg equals input. And then let's put the same value into int as well. Let's switch reg. Reg equals... No, wait, no, I don't want to switch reg yet. Int equals reg minus int. No. Reg equals reg minus int. Because that'll just give us the decimal offset. And then reg equals reg times 10. And as always, semicolons. Alright. Check reg greater than 4. And then jump if true. Round up. Output equals int. Jump to end. And then we have our round up. Int plus plus. Output. Oh wait. Output answer. I can save a bunch here. We call this output answer. Alright, so if we don't jump, then, and for here, actually, hold on. We're gonna make this jump if false. So if we are 0.4 below, then we'll just output the answer. Otherwise, int plus plus. I feel like we did this in too many lines, but let's see how we did. We passed. Use 8 or fewer lines, we have 9, so we could do this in 1 less line. And then 7 less cycles. 7 less cycles. It's always when it's just like a few off that I'm like, what on earth do you mean 7? If it was like twice as many, if there was a loop or something, that's easier. But 7? Let's see. Reg equals input, int equals reg. Reg equals reg minus int. Reg equals reg times 10. If reg is greater than 4, then we add, otherwise we skip to here and we output. Yeah, it might be another one that we come back to. I'm not sure. Alright. Input contains integer numbers only. Round them to the nearest 10 before outputting. So, oh. I mean, that's pretty straightforward. Wait, hold on. Is it? It might not be. So input contains integer numbers only. Round them to the nearest 10 before outputting. Wait a second. I'm still copying all of this. Because the difference here is that these were decimal values. That's really the only difference here. So reg equals input. Reg equals reg divided by 10. Int equals int times 10. Look at that. Look at that. So you need to divide by 10 in the beginning and multiply by 10 right at the end. And just like before, we're just a few off. We're just a few off. Beautiful, though. We knocked out that whole first section. There's still 3 of these that need to be optimized. But again, I think that we're going to come back for an optimization run towards the end of all this. I just want to test out real quick a little bit of, hey, I know we're going a little out of order. I just kind of wanted to look at this. There's a different user manual. No, it doesn't. It's the same one. Oh. Interesting. So we have grids. Maybe there is more stuff in the user manual. Oh, wait, we have binary now. Oh, I see. So our data isn't binary? Make both grid patterns identical. First grid can be written by outputting true or false. Second grid shows the solution. And this is, so I'm guessing this is not the actual data that we're using. I mean, the second grid shows the solution. I can't pull the solution from the input. So I can just do output equals true. Yeah? What do you mean the challenge was 40? What? Solve without using string for cheeselessness? What? Why are we using strings? I mean, I thought about using strings to break some of the previous challenges, but what? Here? I mean, I feel like I'm just like, I don't even know. Okay. If, or check int equal 0, jump if false, output answer. Wait. Check bool. Why are we doing this? We should do check bool equals true. Wait, then at that rate, hold on. Jump if false, output answer otherwise. Nah. Jump if true, output answer. bool equals true, output answer, and then output equals bool equals, wait, how do I get a not bool? Because this is not. How do I inverse the value of bool? I don't know if I can do that inline. Oh, but I could just give output equal to, wait, where'd I go? Oh no. So bool equals true. Oh, and I can just do output equals true, output equals false. Okay, so check 0 equals 0. Check int equals 0. So we have less cycles, but one more line. Interesting. Okay. I need, did they say I need 2 less lines or 1 less line? Well, let's run that back again, see how many less lines we need. Oh, yeah, we just need 1 less line. This is so confusing. I feel like there's something easy here that I'm missing. That's alright, we'll move on to the next one. 1 off. Ah. Okay. How many are these? There's 3, 6, 8 times 4 is 32. So the 32nd one needs to be off. Okay. Let's do check int less than, and we're starting at 0, so we want to do less than 31. Jump if true, output answer. Wait, no. We don't need to worry about that at all. Int plus plus output equals bool. Right? Yeah. Beautiful. Let's use that actually to get this one better. So check input or int greater than 0, int plus plus, output equals bool. Oh, I did it in reverse. So check int greater than 0. No, why do I keep pressing the wrong thing? Wait, how do I keep doing this the wrong way? No, is it less than? What am I doing backwards here? Int less than 1? I gotta just do int equals 0. Yeah, that works. Number of lines, number of cycles, beaten. Done. Let's do one more here. Vertical and horizontal. And I really haven't noticed in the previous one. Wait. Check bool equals false. Output equals bool. That should alternate back and forth if it goes this way to this way to this way. I don't know if it goes down or if it goes this way, this way, this way. I'm hoping it goes this way, this way, this way. Oh, can I not check bool directly? No, I can't. Oh, that's trash. What else we got? What else do we got? What if? I'm trying to think about how to like outsmart this here. So if I can't check bool directly, I can't check, there's no like modulo operator, I can't check for even or odd. What else we got? What else we got? I don't think there's a modulo operator unless I just like completely overlooked it. No, not at all. Oh, we can output coordinates? I did not realize that. Huh. I guess that'll come up sometime later. Wait. Oh, no, that's just example labels. I was gonna say, wait, is there always just a start and an end that I ignored? And has that been why I've been so off for some of these? But no, that wouldn't be it. Unless it is, and I'm just being silly. What about conversion? We saw what happens for some conversions. So like when you assign a bool to, yeah, here we go. Bool is not an option in here. It doesn't seem. Or at least it's not listed. That doesn't mean it's not there. So let's see. Int equals bool. Check. Int equals 0. Output equals bool. No? Bool is not numeric, so I cannot convert it. I tell you, they really want to make this difficult. Well, yeah, so I can't convert there. Jump if false. Set true, I guess, and then let's see, bool equals false, set true, bool equals true, output answer there, jump to, and I'll clean this up in a second, answer, or output answer. Okay, so what's happening here is we're checking to see if bool is false, which should start as the case. So we'll set it true to start, and then we'll output the answer. Otherwise, we set the bool to false, and then we output answer from there. Bool is read only. Let's see. Check int equals 1. Check int equals 0. What do you mean? Labels cannot have other operands on the same line. What labels? Line 4? Oh, I see. Jump 2. There we go. Look at that. And whoa, the challenge is 2 lines. And I did 160 cycles. So yeah, there's something about this that I'm really overlooking. I should not be doing this many. Can I directly invert bool in any way? Man. Yeah, this might be another one that I have to come back to. I'm really not sure. I've definitely got an answer, but it's not the optimized answer. But that is alright. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. Also, check us out on Twitch. I'm on there at least 2-3 times a week playing various games, such as like V Rising lately. And, you know, whatever strikes my fancy for whatever given week. But yeah, otherwise, have a great rest of your day. Bye.